Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell a moral story, and the name of the story is The Lion and the Mouse. Let's start. Once upon a time in the forest, there was a lion. He was sleeping under the tree. Suddenly, a little mouse came and he started playing on the lion's back. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Oh my god! Ha 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 ha! The lion walked out and he got very angry. I am going to eat you, silly mouse. Oh no, lion, please spare me. Please spare me. I am little, but I will be of help to you. Please leave me. Please leave me. Ha 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 ha. What? Will you help me? Please leave me. Don't kill me. I will definitely be of help to you someday. The lion said, all right. Okay, no problem. You can go. But don't trouble me again. The mouse went and the lion was there sleeping. Grrr, grrr, grrr. So, one day, what happened? When the lion was there, a hunter came and put his net on the lion. The hunter came and put his net on the lion. Lion said, help, 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 help. And the lion started roaring loudly. Help, help. Hearing this noise, the mouse came and saw the lion under the net. The mouse with his sharp teeth and biting off the net. And the mouse bit all of the net and the lion got free. The mouse looked at the lion. Lion said, oh, thank you, mouse. Thank you for helping me. And they both were happy. So children, the moral of the story is never underestimate the power of small beings. Everybody can be of the same help. Thank you. Bye-bye.